Hey everybody, it's Chris Lote here, and in this screencast I'm going to share with you how to create a quick little animation on Keynote and also how to use the magic move with text. So to start off, I've opened up Keynote here and you can see I've got my options. I'm just going to go with a basic white presentation. When I get here, I'm going to get rid of that text box and that text box. First thing I'm going to do is add a shape. Let's just add a simple circle. Let's make it a little bit larger, holding my shift button down so I keep it as a circle. Now here, the important part here to do an animation, if I'm using my magic move, is I want to duplicate this slide. So I can do edit, duplicate, or Command D, as you can see. So I've duplicated that, because you need to have the same element or the same object on both slides. So now what I want to do is I want to go over here to my formatting palette, and this might be hidden, so I'm just going to click on Animate. I want to add an effect, and I'm going to use my magic move. So click on Magic Move. So this little corner gets highlighted to indicate I do have a transition of some kind. Now, for my magic move, I want to have the ball move down to here. So you can see it's going to start there. I've got some settings over here on the side. I'm moving an object. It's going to take 2 seconds, and it's just going to go ease in and ease out. And there's some different other types of accelerations, I guess. And start on click. So now when I hit my play, I click my space bar and it moves to that new position. So that's the basic, real simple basic of doing any kind of an animation. And you can have different objects moving around on the screen. So I'm going to get rid of those. I'm now going to show you some text. So here I've got some text. Animation with Keynote. And I'm going to say easy as 1, 2, 3. All right, so I've got my 2 text boxes there. Again, I have to duplicate it, so Command D. So I have both of these text boxes here. Now I can change this. So Keynote allows users to not only create great presentations, but also animations. All right, so I've got that text there. This one I can even delete that, and I can add a new text box. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do something. Say, just add 3 basic steps. 1. So now I go back here, I add my animation, add the effect, magic move, and so then it's going to move into my second one. Now the settings for this are important because now you can see I'm matching only by object. I don't want to do that. I want to match by character. And so that's going to take the characters and move them, and any characters that are the same on both on this page, you will see the effect. So I'm going to go into play and tap my space bar, and so then you can see that the letters that were the same in the 2 slides actually stayed on the screen and just moved to their new location in this text box. And obviously it doesn't take into account the steps here. So what I would do here is I would format. I'm going to take out the numbered list. See those numbers move. Let's see if that works. Watch the numbers here. There they go. There goes the numbers. And of course I didn't have a 4, so that just appeared. So anyways, magic move allows you to not only animate objects, but also the text kind of has that animation feature. So that's the start of it. There are other screencasts that we'll do that will show some more complicated types of animations. So check those out if you're interested in doing more. Thank you.